had a dream last night. You were there. You held my hand so tight. I thought I'd just die. Do you remember when we used to have so much fun? I used to cry sometimes. Those days are gone. Do you remember?
Me say boom boom boom, know what I'm about to say.
Back in the room, ready to rock the world with the boom. So I hope you can stand the vibration, cause we're about to rock the entire nation. Alright, here we go.
I say boom boom boom, now let me hear you say way oh. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say way oh. I say boom boom boom, now let me hear you say way oh. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say way oh. Boom boom boom, now let me hear you say way oh. What the fuck I say, well, they say boom boom boom, now let me hear you say, well, they say boom boom boom, now what the fuck I say, well, girl, your booty is so round, I just wanna lay you down, let me take you from behind, I won't come until it's time, but if I cannot sleep with you, maybe I could have a taste, put your 90 on my tongue, and your booty on my face,
to make you shake it, till you break it, caress your body until you're naked, bend you over, shoulder, slip my beater inside your folder, make it sweater, get you wetter, pumping faster to make it better. Dim the lights, then lock the room, cause now it's time for me to hit that boom.
Boom boom boom, now let me hear you say well. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say well. I say boom boom boom, now let me hear you say well. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say well. If I cannot sleep with you, maybe I could have a taste. Put your 90 on my tongue and your booty on my face. But if I cannot sleep with you, maybe I could have a taste. Put your 90 on my tongue and your booty on my face. Boom boom boom, now let me hear you say well. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say well. I say boom boom boom, now let me hear you say well. I say boom boom boom, now what I'm about to say well.
by the name of Ebenezer Good. His friends call him Easer and he is the main geezer, and he vibe up the place like no other man could. He's refined, he's sublime, he makes you feel fine, and very much maligned and misunderstood. But if you know Easer, he's a real crowd pleaser. He's ever so good, he's Ebenezer Good. You see that he's mischievous, mysterious and devious when he circulates amongst the people in the place. Once you know he's fun and something of a genius, he gives a grin that goes around face to face to face, backwards and then forwards, forwards and then backwards. Easer is a geezer, he loves to muscle in. That's about the time the crowd will shout the name of Easer as he's conjured in the corner laughing by the bass bin.
Easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good. He's Ebenezer Good.
Has anyone here got any beers? Lovely. He's a good leading light of the scene, know what I mean? He created the vibe, he takes you for a ride, and as if by design, the party ignites like he's coming alive. He takes you to the top, shakes you all around and back down. You know as he gets mellow, then it's smooth as a groove that is making you move. He glides into your mind with a sunny hello. A gentleman of leisure, he's there for your pleasure, but go easy on all these, or he's a love you can lose. Extraordinary fella like Mr. Punchinella. He's the kind of geezer who must never be abused. When you're in town and Ebenezer is around, you can sense a presence in the sound of the crowd. He gets them all out, the pipe starts rocking, the people get excited, it's time to shout loud.
Easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good, easy good, easy good. He's Ebenezer Good. He's Ebenezer Good.
Has anyone here got any beers? Lovely.
Can I control this empty delusion?